Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange Wix website pages. If you're managing a Wix site and need to reorganize your pages for better flow or improved visitor navigation, you're in the right place. This is especially helpful if you're running an online store, service business, or content site and want visitors to quickly find what matters most. Let's dive in and simplify this process step by step. First, head over to the Wix website editor. This is where you'll be making all the adjustments to your site's design and layout. Simply log into your Wix account. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the editor dashboard, a powerful tool where each element of your site can be customized, the virtual backstage of your own website. This is similar to a theme editor in other platforms, but with more visual control. Next, you'll want to focus your attention on the navigation menu over on the left-hand side. To continue, click on Pages and Menu. This section is the central hub for managing the various pages that your website comprises. By understanding this feature, you can effectively control how visitors move through your site and guide them toward key pages like your shop, contact page, or featured content. Now, once you're in the Pages and Menu section, look for the Site menu option and click on it. This is where the structure of your website comes to life, displaying all the pages currently live on your website along with their respective menu positioning. Understanding this layout is crucial, as it directly influences how users experience your site and how intuitive your navigation feels. Moving on, the real hands-on task begins, rearranging your pages. Within the Site menu, you'll see a list that outlines the order in which your pages appear. If you want to change this order, simply click and hold the page you wish to move. Then, as you drag it, you'll notice a highlighted placeholder showing potential new positions until you find the perfect spot. Releasing the mouse button drops the page into its new position. It's this simple drag and drop feature that makes rearranging so intuitive, even if you're a complete beginner. Once you're satisfied with the reordering, take a moment to ensure everything is exactly how you want it. Confirm that the most important pages are easily accessible and neatly organized, especially those that drive conversions or provide essential information. This approach isn't just about aesthetics, but also about improving usability for your audience and making sure they find exactly what they need with minimal clicks. Finally, after you've double-checked your changes, remember to save and publish. This is a crucial step. Click on the Save button to keep your edits within the editor, and when you're ready for the world to see your newly structured site, hit Publish. By doing so, you're pushing the changes live, allowing your visitors to experience the new arrangement immediately on both desktop and mobile. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your site's page order and create a more streamlined, user-friendly navigation experience. It's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the functionality and visual appeal of your website, while also helping visitors stay engaged longer. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!